Hello guys, so if you're facing an issue where Google Chrome search engine is going back to Bing repeatedly, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix that issue. Now, first of all, open your browser, and as you can see, if I open a new tab, it's directly going to bing.com besides going to google.com. So to change this, what you have to do is first click on the three dots over here, then click on more tools, then go to extensions. Now just simply disable or remove any sketchy extensions that you may have, like for example the Bing Unchained that I have or the Bing homepage. So if these are causing the problem, you can just simply disable them or remove them entirely. It's up to you. So just do that and see whether your issue is fixed or not. So as you can see, it is now going to Google. Now if you're still facing the issue, the next thing that you can do is just simply go to your settings. Then over here, just simply click on the search engine panel. Now over here, you will find multiple search engines option. So click on manage search engine and site search. Now scroll down and click on Bing and delete it. Then just simply click on delete and then the Bing search engine will be removed. So try this option and see whether your issue is fixed or not. And after doing all of that, if you're still facing the issue, the last thing that you can do is just simply search for cleanup over here in the search panel of settings. So if by typing cleanup, if nothing shows up, just simply type restore. So now this option will pop up. So click on it. Now just simply click on reset setting, and what this will do is it will completely reset your Google Chrome settings, and all the extension that you may have and all the issue that you may have will be fixed. So this is the final solution, and probably this will fix everything. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.